We're not saying you can't get deliverance from long-term afflictions. I mean, I had a knee, it blew out my ACL when I was skiing in the Alps. And I lived with that for 25 years. I think it was 23 years. And I'd hurt my ankle and my knee at the lake. And to make a long story short, I said, Yahweh, why am I still in pain? And why haven't I received my deliverance? And he says, did you ask? And so I decreed and declared and asked for the deliverance and commanded be mended properly back to normal. And then I jumped up and down on it as an act of truth. It was delivered. And ever since that moment, my ACL was replaced, because I used to, when I would run, I would feel like my knees coming apart from my
bones.
Yeah, my two bones are coming apart at the knee. It would feel like this when I'd run, so I wouldn't run. But after that, I was running up mountains, no problem. And it was great. I never have felt that again. And, and I had learned from a trip to the lake that you don't call anything bad, because that allows the enemy to attack you. When you call, this is my bad this, or this is my bad that, that is an in for the devil to afflict you. And I saw that with some of my family members at the lake. So I learned that I'm not speaking against it. It's done, it's finished, and it will never change. It is perfectly fine. So that was
anytime something comes up, you tell it to get out.
Yeah, because it's just demons.
It's just demons.